Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
Have you ever visited a forest? Yes, I have visited a forest once. It was a great experience. Do you like forests? Yes, I like forests. They are peaceful and full of fresh air. What do you see in a forest? I see trees, birds, and sometimes animals. It feels like another world. Why are forests important? Forests give us oxygen and homes for animals. They keep nature balanced. Is the forest near your home? No, it is far from my home. I visit it during vacations. Are forests scary to you? Sometimes, they can feel a little scary because they are quiet. But they are also beautiful. Would you like to explore more forests? Yes, I would love to explore more. Each forest is different. What is your favorite thing about forests? I love the tall trees and green surroundings. They make me feel calm. Do you think we should protect forests? Yes, we should protect them. They are essential for our planet. How can we save forests? We should stop cutting trees and plant more. Everyone must help in conservation.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.